Today I will be showing you how to make a kusudama origami flower. Here's what it should look like when you are finished. The supplies you will need to make this origami is 6 square pieces of paper and glue. The first step that you will do is take your square piece of paper and fold it into a triangle. And this is what it should look like when it's done. Fold both the right and the left corners to the top. So this corner to this corner. And you'll do the same to the left. Next, you will fold the edge down. So you're going to take this edge and put it down here. You'll do the same to the left. And this is what you should come up with when you do that. Next, you'll stick your finger in this pocket right here and you'll crease it down. Do the same for the left side. So here's what you should get. You take this tip, you fold it down. You take this tip, and you fold it down. And then you're going to take this side right here and fold it in. You're going to take this side and fold it in. And then these two surfaces, you will put glue on one side. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll stick them together and let them dry. When it's finished drying, this is what you will get. This is one of your petals. You'll repeat these steps 5 more times. And your final thing that you should get is this.